Hey guys, I welcome you all to my channel, and today we are going to Bannerghatta National Park. So I'm taking the route of Nice Road. Hey hi, and it's been a pretty sunny day. So I hope we are gonna enjoy together. Guys, we have almost reached. So now it's time to have our breakfast. So we are gonna have our breakfast inside the national park. There is a restaurant. Guys, this is the place that you can park your vehicle. Being a Sunday, there are a lot of cars. And next to this, you can see the restaurant. Yeah, this restaurant we had our breakfast. The breakfast is okay. You will get North Indian sort of dishes, and the ambience is very calm, very cool, very composed. Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel V's Vlog, and welcome my dear subscribers. And today we are here in Bannerghatta Safari Park. So for the last 5 years I'm in Bangalore, but I didn't have the opportunity to come here and see and explore this place. But my family members thought that they would take me this weekend. So I'm here. So I'm also excited as you are. Let's see how it is going to be, and let's rock the show. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the place that we can get a lot of quick bites. Have a look at it. And this is the place that I'm walking across the platform. We are going to the ticket counter. You can see it. So guys, please have a look at the tariff chart. And we just hired a big bus, a green bus, and we are walking to the bus place where we can board the bus to get into the safari. Being a Sunday, there are a lot of people have come to visit the safari as well as zoo. That's why it is heavily crowded. So we are already requested to wait just near the waiting shed so that we will get our turn and we can board the bus. So actually, guys, there are different tariff rates. Okay, so since all the jeeps are already booked, we couldn't book the jeep, so we got the tickets to get into the private bus. So you can see here, this is the waiting shed, and now we are about to board the bus. You can see the green color bus here. So we are boarding. There are a lot of people, around like 15 to 20 members already boarded the bus. So we are getting the last seats, I guess. You can see a lot of family members. You can see, couples, family members are already, they have already boarded the bus, and I'm gonna sit in the last seat so that I can sit back and relax. Yeah, now the first task is we are going into the safari park. Then we will go to the zoo. Okay, so now we are going to the safari park. It is going to be really exciting, guys. So, guys, our safari, journey is over. Now we are getting into the zoo, and we hired one electronic vehicle because if elders are with you, you can probably hire the electronic vehicle so that there is no need to walk. I mean, it doesn't mean that you don't need to walk. You have to walk very, very less. So we hired a like electronic vehicle, and now we are seeing all the animals inside the zoo. Okay, so the first one we are watching the giraffe. You can see it. Now, guys, we are just walking for some distance because for to some places inside the zoo we don't have access to the electronic vehicle. So what they will do, they will drop us at some place, and we need to walk around like 200-300 meters. So to such places we don't have access to the electronic vehicle. So see, you can see the electronic vehicle is moving on that platform, on the road.
அவன் எங்கே எடுக்கிறா எடுக்கல என்ன ஹாய் ஜெயஸ்ரீ போர்க்கர் ஹலோ
Hey guys, we are all done for the day. So first we started from our place and we came here by our car, and we went to the safari park. So through the bus, the private bus, they arranged it. Actually we tried to get into the jeep, actually private jeep, to go inside the safari park, but all the jeeps are already occupied. So we tried to manage with the bus. So safari, it's truly awesome. I hope you would have seen the same in the video as well. So then we went into the butterfly park, and we get into the zoo right now. So variety of animals, variety of breeds here. So it's been a wonderful day, and ticket cost is somewhere around like if you are hiring a jeep, then it is for 5-6 members it is 3,500 bucks, and if it is a bus, then per head it is 350 bucks. And for roaming inside the zoo, we had a local electric vehicle, and for that per ticket 100 bucks. So the elders can probably use it, and it's amazing. It's only for the kids, man, you know. It's really it's a good place for the kids, and yeah, it's very affordable, and I request everybody to just walk in here and enjoy the zoo and safari. Don't miss safari. Thank you so much.